In our last episode of Where's the 5G, our hero was heading somewhere in a hurry. Where has he found himself? Let's find out.
All right, where indeed? Robotville Manufacturing. All right, I like it. So he's scanning in through some kind of security system, it looks like, biometrics. So that security panel is probably wired in, but it certainly could use Wi-Fi as well.
And as you enter into the front of a manufacturing plant, it's still going to have front office space, and that's carpeted space. And traditionally, that's been Wi-Fi that predates any deployment of a private 5G solution. But it looks like he's getting a text on the smartphone.
Yeah, so like those communications devices could go back and forth from carpeted to like non-carpeted where they're at now and could use 5G on both sides.
And as they hit the floor of the plant, we see the machinery and manufacturing equipment. Some of it looks hardwired, but it also looks some of it wireless. You'll notice the wheels on the equipment. Very often manufacturing equipment has to be mobile.
Yeah, like wired in for power, but then using 5G for connectivity would be a good fit. All right, so some kind of like barcode scanner maybe. So like these have historically used Wi-Fi, but could certainly be a fit for private 5G in the future.
And I noticed we also have a network management platform here on the computer screen. That could be used for locationing and asset tracking. I noticed some asset tags on some of the manufactured goods within the plant. That could be using Wi-Fi technology. It could be using 5G or possibly even ultra wideband.
Yeah, and this kiosk would probably connect via Wi-Fi. So a really good example of where you got Wi-Fi and 5G co-deployed in the same space. All right, so then a tablet and a forklift. So this forklift actually, because of its mobility requirements, would be a really good fit also for a 5G or cellular solution.
And in the past, that was a Wi-Fi used technology, but it seems to be transitioning to 5G. Although I see a tablet, that could certainly still be Wi-Fi. And oh my goodness, look at the size of that invoice.
He's concerned, I think.
Yeah, and he's chasing the truck. And as he chases after the robots, is there a moral to this story?
Yeah, I mean, always check your invoice if you're shipping to Springfield. But also, man, 5G really has a home in manufacturing and any non-carpeted space for sure.